What if everything you thought you knew about reality was just the surface of a much deeper truth? What if your thoughts, your intentions, and even your emotions could ripple out into the universe and shape the world around you? In her groundbreaking book, The Field, journalist Lynne McTaggart explores the science behind this very idea, a hidden web of energy that connects all living things. Today we'll uncover the meaning, core principles, and life-changing lessons from The Field. Let's dive in. At the heart of The Field is the concept of the zero-point field, a vast sea of energy that exists everywhere in the universe. Think of it like an invisible ocean that fills all of space. Quantum physicists discovered that even in a vacuum, where we think nothing exists, there's actually a constant buzz of energy. McTaggart explains that this field isn't just background noise. It may be the very foundation of reality. Every atom, every particle, every bit of matter is connected to and influenced by this invisible field. In other words, nothing is truly separate. If everything is connected through this field, then what about us, our thoughts, our minds, our intentions? According to the field, our consciousness isn't just locked inside our brains. Instead, it interacts with this invisible web of energy. When we think, when we focus, when we intend something, we might actually be influencing the field itself. This means that human beings aren't isolated observers of reality. We are active participants, connected by invisible threads that bind us to each other and to the universe. This all sounds fascinating, but is there any proof? McTaggart dives into real scientific studies that suggest this isn't just speculation. For example, experiments in quantum physics have shown that particles can remain connected, or entangled, even when separated by vast distances. Change one particle, and the other reacts instantly. Other research explored how intention might influence biological systems. Some studies suggested that people's focused thoughts could affect plants, cells, even healing processes. While these ideas remain controversial, the evidence McTaggart shares points to one clear theme. Reality is far more mysterious and interconnected than we've been taught. Here's where the field becomes practical. If thoughts can influence reality, then intention becomes a powerful tool. McTaggart highlights experiments showing that when groups of people focus their minds on a single goal, whether reducing violence in a city or improving someone's health, measurable changes took place. The lesson? Our focused attention, especially when combined with others, can create real shifts in the world around us. Intention isn't just wishful thinking, it's like planting a seed into the fabric of reality. So, what can we take away from all of this? First, we are not separate, isolated beings. We are deeply connected to each other and to the universe through this invisible field. Second, our thoughts and intentions matter. The energy we put into the world, whether it's love, compassion, or creativity, can ripple outward in ways we might never see, but that still have an impact. And finally, the field invites us to live with greater awareness. If reality is shaped not just by matter but by consciousness, then every choice we make, every thought, every intention, carries power. Lynne McTaggart's The Field challenges us to see the universe not as a cold, empty void, but as a living, breathing web of energy, one that we are intimately woven into. It tells us that our minds are not powerless, that our intentions are not just fleeting thoughts, they are forces that can shape reality. So the next time you feel small or disconnected, remember this: you are part of something vast and extraordinary. You are connected, you are powerful, and the field is always there, waiting for you to tap into it. Thanks for watching. If this journey into the field inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because the more we spread ideas of connection and possibility, the more we bring them to life.